What's up, guys? Let's talk about free and paid assets. Of course, you can get 3D characters or buildings for free in your game. Or you could also just take your time and get something that's actually nice and, get something that's paid for. But today we're going to show you exactly how you can get these assets for free or pay for them and place them inside of your game. Okay, so we're simply going to go to Window, Asset Store, and in the Asset Store, this is where we can receive free and paid models. So now let's say if I want to go and grab me a car, simply just type in car. You can see there, this one's $40 for this universal sound package. This one's $50. But if you search still, you can grab your free car. Here we go. So what we do when we find an asset or a package that we like, as we can see here, it's gonna give us a few cars inside of this asset for this little game. So we simply just click download. But also an important tip is always to look at the supported versions and make sure that it is supported by your Unity. Otherwise, you will come across problems. Not with models or buildings or cars or any of those types of issues, but mostly if you come across anything that has scripts, and you want to make sure that you generally have something that supports your Unity. Okay, as you see there, that's a third-person shooter. And okay, we have this dummy. Say you want to get this character dummy for your game to start it off, just to have a basic character before you start really going in. You simply come to this, download it. Okay, now to import it into my game so it'll be ready. So I'd simply click this import, I click this import. Okay. All right, now that it's loaded inside of the game here, or my program. So what is that, Kevin Ingles? Okay. As you can tell, he has an actual demo model there. And as you can see there are the free models that I just downloaded right there, available for use inside of my game. And if you have a character model, you could just simply put that character model onto that character and walk around and start it going. And I hope this has helped you on how to get free assets and paid assets.
Hey, what's up out there? My name is iDerek4Real, and I do play these games. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay notified, and we'll try to get better as we go on the way with these videos. Hopefully you will like them. Still stay tuned. Peace.